Hello there, I'm Stephanie Kozlerich with the Stephanie K Group at eXp Realty. Today we are filming at our hottest new listing. This is a mid-century modern marvel. I'm so excited to show you all of the original organic materials that have been married together with all the clean lines and all the modern updates. Let's go take a look, and I cannot wait to show you the rest of the house. Mid-century modern homes in the 50s and 60s had really awesome features, like this amazing geometric ceiling and nooks and crannies. This is a very unique kitchen in that you have modern features like gold trim, your gorgeous and shiny granite countertops, and you have a pop of olive green for that trendy look that you're looking for. I hope you enjoy the tour of this beautiful property today. Being outside the front of this home feels so peaceful and zen. You have a ravine right behind you as you enter the property. Thank you so much for coming along. If you want to see this property in person, give us a call today. Again, my name is Stephanie Kozlerich with the Stephanie K Group, and we'll see you soon.